How to calculate slope of stairs? First of all, it's important to understand why we calculate slope of stair. Remember, in designing of our CC stair, when the slope of stair is more than the permissible limit, it will be difficult for user to climb up and down on those stairs, so that's why we design best quality of stair to provide best comfort level to the user. How to calculate slope for the staircase? We first of all calculate total number of steps by dividing total story height by riser size. Make sure of unit conversion. Example, if story height is 10 feet and riser height is 6 inches, then story height will be 10 into 12 divided by 6, which will come out to 20 steps. Now let us calculate total length of staircase, that is clear span. For that we will take total number of steps multiply with tread length. Here we got total number of step 20 multiply with size 9 inches, we get 180 inches. So divided by 12 to convert it into feet we get 15 feet. Now we use tangent approach of perpendicular divided by base, so in this case perpendicular is 10 feet and our base is 15 feet. From here after solving we get tangent theta 0.66, from here we get theta as tangent inverse of 0.66, which is 34 degree, which is slope of stair. But this procedure is very lengthy and time consuming. We use another method to calculate the slope of stair. In this case we will consider single step and will use tangent approach perpendicular divided by base. In this case perpendicular is riser and total run is base, so after solving this to term we get tangent theta 0.66 and from this calculation we get theta equal to tangent inverse of 0.66. From this we get angle theta of stair 34 degree.